Shape up, man. You're a slacker. Do you want to be a slacker for the rest of your life?
Question or two on the internet?
Sure.
So how's Sophia coming?
Sophia's coming well. We just received the mirror to illuminize the telescope, and since I think that should be done by August, and then we'll install it. Hopefully by the end of 2009 we'll start doing observation flights.
Like scientific observations?
Yeah.
So a year and a half from now or so?
Yeah.
And then how long is it expected to last? Like
20 years.
20 years?
Yeah, we hope.
And will it like fly every day?
It'll fly 3 to 4 times a year.
Oh, 3 to 4 times a year.
I mean, sorry, 3 to 4 times a week. Yeah.
That's better.
Yeah. Yeah.
Cool. Thank you.
You're welcome. What is this for?
Slacker Astronomy
Oh, nice.
podcast. How much does this? What's the budget of Sophia?
I think it was initially estimated at 300 million, but I don't know how much we've spent since then. So
It hasn't been revised upwards 5 times or anything? It's
possibly. Yeah.
Cool, thank you.
You're welcome.
A plane with a hole in it, Mike.
I'm surprised you're not asking her inappropriate questions about the Mile High Club, frankly. Knowing you as I do, Koppelman.
That's between you and me, Mike.
Not anymore.
Yeah. Do you think anyone will join the Mile High Club on Sophia?
You know, I'll say yes to be fun, but I'm not sure.
I think you're right.
Yeah.
Phil, do you think anyone will join the Mile High Club on Sophia?
It's not a matter of think, it's a matter of predictive quality. If you have enough people up there and, I don't know, how well would the mirror track, you think, if something like that were happening?
You think they detect it in the data, a little bit of bump?
Well, you know, I've heard stories about Cassegrain focuses before, cages at big telescopes, and so astronomers tend to be a randy bunch.
Pardon me, do you know something about the Hubble Space Telescope?
A little bit.
Because you're sitting right under the sign.
Yes.
So the servicing mission goes up when?
October at the moment.
And have they figured out, like, what's the probability that they can actually do what they're going to try to do in that mission?
They have looked into probabilities, and I don't, off the top of my head, I don't know. But from what I recall, they're fairly confident that they can get everything done.
Including fixing STIS?
This is a relatively high priority, yeah. And
Do you know what the priorities are in terms of the servicing mission?
There's a poster, actually no, there's a poster right behind here on this first row that explains the ACS repair. And I believe that has everything in priority order.
It does?
That they're going to do, yeah.
Cool.
So I would check that to
All right.
be sure.
I'll go take a look. Thanks a lot. I believe this is what he was talking about. Here's the Hubble servicing plan. And we can see with PIC 3 installed, COS installed, STIS repaired, ACS repaired, etc. I know you know how to read. Pretty ambitious. Let's hope they get her done. Get her done, boys. Here I am floating in space on the International Space Station. Something I didn't think I'd ever get to be able to do. And just as luck would have it, we're just pulling up to the Hubble just to clean the mirror. So I'm gonna jump out there right now and do that. So I think that's right about here. Just get that. Okay, I think that should do. All right, take off, boys.